Hello sisters and brothers, let's get into the review of Kraken 101 courses. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Kraken 101 courses, but you can say as it is a front preview. Okay, so this software better more than a software, it is a tutorial tool. Okay, so this tutorial will learn you how to publish your course, cause this vendor or this owner Paul Chile had been published his course so many years before, and he is still making money good on various platforms. Okay, that is why he has so many knowledge and experienced and he just published his experience as a course. Okay, so this course is all about how to publish your course, how to make your course, from where you can get the huge money, from where you can utilize your courses fully. Okay, you can optimize your courses fully and you can get the money more. Okay, and also how to build your email list, how to get money as a seller from JVZoo, Warrior Plus, the most popular platforms in the world. Okay, so before starting the review, let me just show you that the bonus value $6,397 custom bonuses I am giving you totally free with this course. That's why that is the main purpose to making this video, and one of the main purpose, basically two main purposes are there. One of the main purpose is to show the bonuses, and one of the main purpose is to show the product. Okay, what is this product and why should you purchase it, or why should you not purchase it? Okay, who should purchase it? Okay, so this is the front preview. So let me click on start here. The main thing, initial thing is how to start, and there is given a video, and this video is about how to set up your mindset and what is the future of this course making industry, and to publishing your course, to monetizing your knowledge. Why should you do this? And they are also giving their Facebook page link from where you can get 24/7 backend support from them, and also they have YouTube channel and also email whitelist. Okay, so the course starts from here, the Kraken course 101. This tutorials has total 6 videos, and this is the first video which named what are your aims, and the second video is named where to sell your product, and the third video find your niche course idea for anyone, and the fourth video let's pre-sell our course, and the fifth video is putting your course together, and the sixth one and the most last is getting other courses to sell your courses for you. Okay, so these all videos I have not gone through all of the videos, but I have gone through one videos, okay, among them, and I have get an overview, and I just was amazed that the video has really good knowledge. Okay, this is the member area. Let me clear you that I have not purchased it, but this is the member area. This I have contacted the vendor, and he given me the permission to access it, and I have used it. So I am you can say me I am a real user of this product, and I am suggesting not only for the beginners, but also who want to good money, who are also advanced, and who want to earn good money from selling their courses, from monetizing his or her knowledge. Okay, so the last two options are upgrade and bonuses, and these settings, this is an additional feature I think, and I am not surprised, more surprised about it, because this is you can change your theme, you can change your layout, you can change your layout with. Okay, so this is a additional feature. You can just style your preview section. Okay, your window. Okay, so I am not amazed about it, but this tutorial has really good value. He has valued hugely, and that is why I was just amazed. And now just let me show you the bonuses. So this is the product product ratings which are given by me, and this is the product value, only 7.97 bucks. You can get it by paying it, and let me show you. This is the button. Once you have clicked this button, you will be redirected to the software or the product, and also the bonuses. Okay, so now just let me show you the bonuses, avoiding everything, because I know that you can click the video description link, you will be redirected to this page, and after visiting this page you can read from yourself everything. Okay, so these are the upsells. Okay, let me just clarify you the upsells. So the first upsell is Kraken Courses Premium, which is $47, and the second one is $1 sign up monthly digital product, and the third one is, you can go through this also by yourself. Okay, the inside things. Okay, so the fourth one is the Monster Done For You complete digital product. Okay, so these are the bonuses. These are the bonuses which I was talking about from the beginning. So these bonuses are valued $6,397. I have collected them from so many days, and I have just put them from each of the products, and I have just gathered them one inside one place, and it will be given to you. Once you have brought it from my side, it will be given to you totally free. Okay, so after 50 bonuses, I have put here 270 plus bonuses as mega bonuses, because I was just so tired of, and these days people also has lesser reading span. That's why I have put here 270 plus bonuses as mega bonuses. So basically you are getting 320 plus bonuses as totally free from my side. Okay, so once you have brought it from my side, it will be given to you. So you can check out this page by visiting this page, and you can, after purchasing the product, you can just click the blue button. You will be redirected to the bonuses. But after visiting the bonuses, you should give a message to me. Okay, you should give a message to me, or you should do an email to me to just permit you to access the bonuses. Okay, nothing much more. You have to, I was firstly I was literally not aware about it, but I have recently noticed it, that you have to just ping me to, I will grant you. Okay, so to get the bonuses. Okay, so this was the review. I am signing out for the day, so bye bye.